There are moments when people judge success only by what they can see: wealth, status, popularity, or visible good deeds. But Allah teaches us that not all actions are equal in His sight. What gives value to our deeds is the faith, sincerity, and sacrifice behind them. Surah At-Tawbah 9:19, Saheeh International Translation. Have you made the providing of water for the pilgrim and the maintenance of Al-Masjid Al-Haram equal to the deeds of one who believes in Allah and the Last Day and strives in the cause of Allah? They are not equal in the sight of Allah, and Allah does not guide the wrongdoing people. Concise Tafsir Summary, Ibn Kathir plus Jalalain. According to Tafsir Ibn Kathir and Tafsir al-Jalalain, this verse was revealed when some people among Quraysh proudly spoke about serving pilgrims and taking care of the Sacred Mosque, believing these acts made them superior. Allah clarified that although these are honorable actions, they cannot equal the faith, sincerity, and sacrifice of those who truly believe in Allah and strive in His cause. The scholars explain that deeds are judged not only by their outward appearance, but by the Iman behind them. A deed connected to sincere faith and obedience is far greater in Allah's sight than outward actions done without true submission to Him. Reflection. This verse teaches us a powerful lesson about priorities and sincerity. In today's world, people often focus on appearances. Someone may look successful in religion because of public acts, social media posts, titles, or recognition. But Allah sees deeper than appearances. He sees the heart. A person can perform many visible acts yet still lack sincerity. Another person may quietly struggle to pray consistently, avoid sin, support others, and fight their own weaknesses for Allah's sake, and that person may be far greater in Allah's sight. Allah reminds us here that true honor comes from faith and sacrifice. Believing in Allah during difficult times, remaining patient through hardship, resisting temptation, and striving to obey Allah when nobody is watching, these are among the greatest acts a believer can perform. The phrase, strives in the cause of Allah, is not limited only to battle. Every believer has a struggle. Some struggle against sins they secretly fight every day. Some struggle to wake up for Fajr. Some struggle to remain halal in a world full of temptation. Some struggle with loneliness, anxiety, financial hardship, or family pressure while trying to hold on to faith. And Allah sees every struggle. Sometimes, Shaitan makes a believer feel small because they are not famous, wealthy, or publicly recognized. But this verse reminds us that Allah measures differently than people do. Your sincere prayer may outweigh someone else's public image. Your hidden tears in sujud may be more beloved to Allah than actions done for praise. This verse also teaches us not to become arrogant because of good deeds. The people mentioned believed their service alone guaranteed superiority, but Allah teaches humility. No deed has value without sincere Iman and obedience. Today, many people compare themselves to others. Social media has made people obsessed with being seen, praised, and admired. But Allah is teaching us here to focus on what truly matters: sincerity, faith, sacrifice, and striving toward Him. Ask yourself honestly, why do I worship Allah? Do I seek people's praise or Allah's pleasure? Am I striving toward Allah even in my private life? The beauty of Islam is that Allah rewards every sincere effort. Even when nobody else notices your struggle, Allah notices. Every step toward Him matters. A believer who continues turning back to Allah despite weakness is beloved to Him. A person fighting their sins while sincerely repenting is not forgotten by Allah. Your struggle may be invisible to the world, but it is fully seen by your Lord. Practical takeaway. Today, do one good deed completely and sincerely for Allah alone, without telling anyone. Protect that sincerity between you and Allah. Closing Islamic reminder. People judge by appearances, but Allah judges by sincerity, faith, and the condition of the heart. Short dua, O Allah, purify our intentions, strengthen our Iman, accept our deeds sincerely for your sake, and make us among those who strive for your pleasure alone. Ameen. If this reflection touched your heart, Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more daily Quran reflections that strengthen faith, inspire the soul, and bring hearts closer to Allah.